China phone, no light but display solution. Just use the jumper wires to jump from the, you can use this, but as you can see here there is none, but you can still tap from here. This is a positive. You connect it to pin number 2 of the 20 pin, then negative, connect it to pin number 1 of the 20 pin, like this. Just simple. You can see positive number 2, negative number 1, and it will work.
Let me put it on so you can confirm it's okay. Yeah, it's working, 100% working. Make sure you like, subscribe and follow for more. Yeah.